What's interesting about this is a couple things. One, that 30% is almost certainly an undercount. This has been something that we've seen just start to increase over time at every time we've measured it. And this is even something that we're seeing even more expressed in the early career space. So what's interesting here is that this is really presenting kind of two fundamental challenges for TA teams. One is the kind of big and obvious application avalanche that we've written about and that a lot of leaders have talked to us about, just the sheer volume of applications coming into their inbox has made it challenging for them to sift through and just been a challenge for their TA teams and the recruiters to keep up with. But maybe even more interesting, I think the more sort of long lasting and pernicious challenge here is that because candidates can use AI to help draft their resume, to tailor a cover letter, to go all the way to taking a job spec that they see on LinkedIn or wherever they're searching for jobs, and then to have an AI tool tailor their materials to that job rec. The larger problem is that there's really been this kind of compression happening where applications are starting to look increasingly similar. And the problem that TA leaders have been talking to us about is how can I be just how can I be 100% confident that I'm picking the absolute best person for my role when I know that candidates can be using it to tailor their materials? And how do I sort of trust, or how do I trust, or better yet, how do I vet these materials to know that about their skills, about their talents, and who's going to be sort of the best fit for this role? Um, I know Allison, Evan, like you've been talking to TA leaders a ton on this. One of the things that I've seen in this space, and I know we're going to talk about AI a lot through this conversation, is really the sort of advent of using more assessments and especially like more kind of automated or AI powered assessments to do quick screenings at the very top of the funnel to kind of limit that application avalanche, but also to really zoom in on the skills that candidates have and embed those really early on.